All right, so I'm going to show you, I prefer to use Google Drive. That is Google's version of a cloud storage. I've utilized this for various courses throughout my undergraduate studies and also now into my professional life. So it really has helped me stay organized. So as you see, I have a Math 2022-2023 folder within my Drive. So to create a folder, you can go New and add a new folder, or you can even right click and it also will give you the opportunity to add a new folder, add documents like we previously talked about, sheets, which is kind of the format of Excel, slides, very similar to PowerPoint, and a Google form, which is like a poll or some kind of survey that you might want to send out to your students. I really, really love Google because it is self-saving. So if I don't forget to press a little button, I'm not going to lose all my work. But also, it's really easy to share your work. So I'm going to go ahead and show you within my week 2, I have a continuous math planning slide document. I use this to stay organized. The standards I'm going to teach, what week, when our common assessment windows are, etc. So I utilize this and you can share this very similarly to the Google Doc. So once you open a document, you can click share. And as you can see, I've already shared this with 10 people. And when you share it, I send it as a viewer. That way they can go ahead and make a copy of this document and not mess with anything. Planning is something I'm not always super collaborative about. Everyone kind of has their own approach to it. So being able to share it as a viewer, letting them say, hey, make your own copy, do with it as you would please, is very beneficial, which is another reason why I absolutely love Google.